Can you hold, please?
Okay.
Thank you. Hello.
Hi. Hello.
Hi. Thanks for holding.
My name is Amy Allen. I was hoping to speak to Manager Eunice or Manager Maud.
Okay, I'm also manager. How may I help you?
In October 10th, I went to go place a Skittles machine, and when I went to go check on Monday, it wasn't there.
Okay, one more time. What happened?
On October 10th, I went to place a Skittles machine. It's where you put a quarter for the charity for the missing children's. I went to go check on it.
Are you sure? Are you sure you're calling the right place? This is pizzeria.
Yes, Big Mama's on.
This is
Big Mama's and Papa's Pizzeria.
yes. What kind of just about what kind of coins are you talking about? We don't have any coins machine here.
That's why that's the problem. I put one in October for the charity for missing children's. I got approval from Eunice and Maud to place one.
Okay.
And when I went to go check on it, it wasn't there anymore.
On a Windows or what?
On the windows?
Where did you put that?
Next to the registers, next to the bathrooms in the dining area.
Okay, let me double check. Give me 1 second, please.
Okay.
Okay, I didn't see any boxes around here. Just maybe one reason for it's not here, because maybe owner decide to don't put anything next to the register. That's why. First, in that case, you have to talk to owner.
Okay, do you know when
not with the manager.
Okay, do you know when they come in, or can I have a number?
The number. Let me tell you this way. Maybe next week he will be here.
Okay, do I just call every day next week? Or can I have a name?
Okay, let me take your phone number and your name, and I will provide to him, okay?
Okay, my name is Amy Allen.
Just give me 1 second. Let me write down. Okay, your name?
Amy Allen.
Amy?
Yes.
With E?
A-M-Y. Amy.
Allen?
Yes.
And your phone number? regarding charity?
The Gumball machine for the charity, yes.
G. How do you spell?
Gumball, Gumball.
G. Oh, Gumball. Okay.
Machine. It was placed October 10th.
Gumball machine. Is this Gumball machine?
Yes, it's a machine where you put in quarters.
Are you sure you bring it here? Because I didn't see any machine like that.
Yes, I took a video. We always take video on ourselves to verify that it's there and pictures with dates.
It looks like a Gumball machine?
Yes, I can go in and show you the video if you'd like.
It's interesting.
Yeah.
I didn't. You said with who did you spoke?
I don't know her name. It was on register, but I do have her on video. And she's the one that told me I can place it there. Okay.
Is she or he?
I have approval from Eunice and Maud, the managers, and when I went in person, it was a female at the register. I don't think
it's a Gumball machine.
Yes.
Give me one more second.
Okay.
Mano, did someone bring Gumball machine here? Gumball machine? Yeah. Hello?
Yes. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
All right, thank you. So where you living over here? Or you rent or something?
I left a Gumball machine October 10th. I have video and pictures of the day that I left it in the shop next to the bathroom area where the dining tables would have been. I went to go check on it on Monday because the charity checks on it every 2 to 3 months, and it wasn't there.
Okay, so you say you live it over here?
Yes, October 10th.
October 10th. Okay, October 10th. Where you live at that one?
Next to
exactly where you lived?
And I can go in and show you the video if you want.
Okay, yeah, if you want to come over because, I don't know exactly because I'm not working the front and not even see it where you live. I work in the kitchen, but I'm over here most of the time in the mornings and daytime. And you know around what time you live there?
I'd have to check the video, but it'd probably be in the afternoon.
In the afternoon, okay. So I think it's better you come over and then you show me, and then we can check it out, and then we can check the cameras over here because we have cameras everywhere, and we find out what it is. Okay.
All right. What's your name?
Come over. When you gonna come over?
I can go today. What's your name?
Manuel.
Manuel. So I ask for you?
Yes. I'm gonna be here because I don't know exactly what time you're gonna be here. If you tell me what time you're gonna be here, so I'll let you know if I'm here or not.
I can go within an hour.
1 hour, yeah. Okay, you just come over. I'm over here, so you just come over inside the store, and then we check it out the video, and then we'll see what it is. Okay.
Okay. See you soon.
All right.
Thanks.
All right. I'll see you.
Guess I'm going to the store.
Okay. Good luck, honey. That first guy was very frustrating.